Hello guys, welcome back to JNG Gaming. This video is all about unboxing. So guess what we will unbox in 5 seconds. So if you have guessed the right answer, it is the high-speed off-road climbing remote controlled car with new LEDs. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox this incredible off-roading beast. So, this is the remote. Oh, it already comes with batteries. Now, next is our extreme off-roader. Check how cool it is. It also has 2 people sitting in it and the extra tire. It has extreme suspensions, extreme balance and turns and LEDs. I think if this has batteries, this will also have batteries. Let's try it. Oh no, I forgot to take out all the stuff in the box. So here's the battery and this is a wire for charging it. So let's put the battery in it. It goes like this, okay. We will just put it here. And now we put on the cover. Now, the battery installation is done for this. And the battery is still working, I guess. Let's install it now. Just put it in. It is a little bit hard to put it in because there's less space to put it. Yes, it's working now. Check it out, it's working with full LEDs. The remote is already on. Now let's do this. Ooh, it's so cool. Wow. It's so cool. Check out the remote. It's like this. It's a one-handed remote. Check out it climbs my foot. Check it. Oh, did you see that? How it just climbed my leg. Check it out. How it has very high stability. It is able to turn real quick. Check out the LEDs in it. They're so cool. Wow. In the dark, it looks so cool, I guess. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Pause the video in the back and see what just happened. The tire from one tire climbed on the box. It's so off-roader. So now, it also has a bumper so nothing can happen to it if it crashes. Check it out. Did you just see that? Now let's test if it runs upside down. Oh, wow, it's a really cool car. It also rides in this position. So I'll save the battery. So bye guys. Subscribe to GNG Gaming and like for more off-road fiesta this Saturday and Sunday or earlier. So bye guys, and please subscribe, like and comment. Bye.